Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patel and welcome to Kenko Group's channel. Today I am so excited to share with you what I have learned and discovered about a wellness technology. But before we get into that, I would request you to like, subscribe and follow my channel. There are some important places on earth where naturally purified water is found. Some examples would be Mecca, where Zamzam is found, or a cave in Germany called Nordeno, or even the Ganga Jal found in river Ganga in India. The water from these places is globally known as miracle water because researchers and scientists found out that water from these places have helped millions of people recover from various chronic diseases. In 1950, Japanese and Russian scientists did an extensive research and found out that this miracle water had three major properties which has now been depleted and cannot be found in our regular tap water or bottled water or even water from the RO filters nowadays. The water that we drink today is merely just to quench our thirst and has no positive effect on our body. Let me introduce you to a Japanese company named Enagic, which was founded in 1974. After the research in 1950, Japanese scientists made a water ionizer which today is globally known as Kangen water. Kangen in Japanese means return to origin. Enagic is almost 47 years old and sells its water purifiers and machines across 150 countries across the globe. Enagic also has its registered offices in more than 23 countries around the world, including one in Bangalore in India. Now going back to the three properties that I mentioned earlier. The first one is microclustering, second one is antioxidation, and the third one is alkalinization. All these three properties have proven to be the most important properties that any water should have for a healthier lifestyle. Luckily for us, all these three properties can be easily and readily be found in the water that comes out from these Kangen water machines. Kangen machines filter water and through electrolysis produce super hydrating, alkaline, antioxidant rich water. These machines are portable and can be connected to any water outlet, and it makes it your own water factory. To learn more about these products and the amazing things that Kangen water machines can do, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns in the comment section below. Thank you.